I'm even imagining cooking ugali using this pan.
Yes, hello internet. How are you doing, guys? I hope you're doing great. With me here, I'm good, and I thank God everything good, and we can't complain. So, welcome back to this channel, guys. And remember, if you have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing, like the video, share the link, guys. You know, we're still loading to 1,000, guys. So I'm still my racing, like still chasing for watch hours and subscribers. So if you subscribe, if you watch the video, that's really a very big and a huge support, guys. So do the necessary, guys. Really, like I beg, like load me to 1,000 and watch the video so that I can monetize, guys. So here we are, another beautiful day, guys. We are for Dallas place, as you can see. See how the compound looks like. That's how I've been giving a 360 like a turning. I think I've seen everything going good, everything crazy, everything is good. So stay tuned, watch the video till the end. And again, please, if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, like the video, share, and leave some sweet comments, guys. And that we really appreciate, guys. So stay tuned. Yes. So here we are. See, there's some work that is being going on. This is water. Some people are taking water here. So there's some parceling. I think I'm going to take you inside, see what's going on. Yeah, maybe you can start from here. This is Fadela's brother. Yes, how are you?
Yes, okay.
How are you, bro?
I'm good.
Yeah.
Yes.
I
have nothing to say. We are just taking water from the borehole from the neighbors.
Yeah.
To bring here so that they can continue the
plastering, yeah.
Yes. So guys, welcome back to this amazing YouTube channel. My good name's always Kibe. Maybe I can show them so that they can get me easily. Yeah. Guys, you can subscribe to this amazing channel by the name
always Kibe.
Yeah. The younger brother of Adela TV. Just a minute. I don't have a.
You have to have the always Kibe, yeah. I think it's clear. Yeah, guys, that is it, guys.
You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, like, and comment, and watch the videos. There's a lot of amazing videos there. You can support me by commenting. I am from Voke, and show and commenting on other. You can just comment anything there, but that's which is good.
Yeah, guys.
And your support, guys, is highly appreciated. Maybe you are watching this for the first time. You can continue supporting my brother here.
Yeah, guys.
Subscribing to his YouTube channel and watch the video, guys. Thank you, Voke, for hosting me on your channel.
Okay, thank you, bro.
Water inside the tank.
So they are going to put water inside the tank, guys. So let me take you inside, see what's going on, see what's popping, guys. So that's the tank. So see, these are way going like this. Let me show you this. Yes. Yes, anguka. So they are taking water from the borehole to these are small tanks. So imagine ni mingi. Ama wanakoroga mchanga ingine. Au unamwagilia huko. Okay. Okay, guys. So here are small tanks. So they collect the water from the borehole, then they just put it here. They are going to be used there, guys. So let's go inside, guys, and see what's going on, guys. Huh? Hey, see. This is a sitting room, yeah. See how the sitting looks like. It's they are done with the porcelain issues. Yeah, the sitting room here. And as you can see on the roof, there's some work was going on. This is I think installation of a how do you call this? Ceiling board is going on. So stay tuned. I'm going to take you through all these, guys. Stay tuned. Watch the video till the end, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. Masar, how are you, bro?
I'm very good.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm doing great. Thank God.
I'm doing some cleaning here.
Yeah.
They're collecting this stuff. They're cleaning this.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, I started yesterday, but I didn't finish.
So you are collecting the bags.
The bags and cleaning the like must be like this one.
Okay. So okay, it had be the house had be to be clean, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because
Got
they
it.
are doing plastering.
Yeah.
You know plastering you don't need it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Supposed to be somehow clean.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, bro. Thank you. Okay. As you can see here. Hello, mbona ni aje?
Nipo poa.
Hey,
Nipo poa.
sema maneno.
Hatuna maneno hapo, sisi tuko tunapiga kazi.
Yeah.
Tuko tunapiga hii kazi.
Naona kazi safi. Hey. Oh, you've changed the language. So, nimesahau hata jina yako. Najua kichwa. Zakaria mwenyewe. So guys, the mason here, Mr. Zakaria. Zakaria. So, hiyo ni simiti ama ni mchanga? Ni simiti? Oh, ni mkavu? Okay guys. Hivyo. Yo, ni aje bro. Sema, say something here. Hey, don't have anything to say. The Masons guys, they are doing a really great job, and with me, everything's good. Hello, Kichwa. How are you?
I'm fine.
I've seen kazi is going on. Inaendelea.
I'm working is good, my friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, local from Tanzania, top muscle.
Top Mason guys. So if you have the job, maybe you can check on Kichwa. I've seen that they are really doing a great job,
Yeah, my
guys.
friend, work for job.
Yeah. Unakupigia?
Go to Kazera, Nikobuya.
Good anyone. Yeah.
Yeah, I am coming everywhere for work.
Hata Nairobi unaweza fika?
Yeah, for work.
Oh, okay. That is there, guys. So I've heard from Kichwa. That's the top mason, the one who is controlling with that parceling issues and the mason. So you have seen the parceling is going on. And maybe I can take you to the other room and see the installation of GYPSUM is going on. So let's go guys. Let's go. I see the camera is here.
I'm coming.
Yes, I'm good. I'm here. Because I say you have to come and check and see what's going on.
One week.
Maybe done with that. Yeah. So
Kindly, guys, you can come and support me by subscribing. Only just almost one something.
100 and something to
170 to reach 1,000 subscribers.
okay. You really go. I see you are really pushing, yeah.
I'm pushing, but you saw
What about the watch hours?
the watch hours.
Is the problem. That one you have to struggle. Yeah?
I even decided, can I go to the river?
Watch hours, man. Watch hours are really a problem.
That's a problem.
Guys, can watch the video. Watch.
So if you are from this side, you can come and watch my video. I have a playlist. You can come and watch. Push me to 4,000 watch hours. And also, if you are from that side, you can come. Even 50 of you.
Yeah.
Just come and subscribe.
Yeah. To reach the 1,000, yeah.
Yeah, to reach 1,000. I'm very fine. So I'd like that. I'll be very fine for your support. So let me show my channel.
Yeah.
So that you can come and support me, you guys.
Yeah.
It's my channel, guys.
kidogo tu. Okay, it's clear now.
Yeah, you can come and support me, and I will appreciate you a lot.
Okay, guys, kindly check out our Kwemba. Load him to 1,000 and remember to still chasing for a watch hours, guys. Yeah, like me too. I'm still chasing for a watch hours and subscribe. Okay, your friend. Okay. So guys, that is it. So I was supposed to take you to the where the installation of gypsum is taking place. Yeah, so stay tuned. Watch the videos. Not the video, just watch the all videos. See, watch the videos, guys, so that I can reach to 400 400 watch hours, 4,000. I mean. Hello, Kenvi. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Yeah. I've seen guys, so that's what I was exactly telling.
Hi guys, this is Ken V. Is this the first time I'm appearing to this?
No. I think like mara mingi. Not the first
I
time.
remember watching at your side.
Yeah.
Shop.
Yeah.
Yes. Hi guys, this is Ken V 254. Yeah, the third round appearing to this channel. Thank you so much for supporting my brother here. Okay. Yeah, always checking us on him. Make sure that you watch this video to the end. Subscribe also if you haven't subscribed, and share, guys. So after watching this, go check me out, KenV254. Yeah, that is my YouTube channel's name.
Yeah, so guys, that's Kenvi, the one who is installing this. So this is these are ceiling board or gypsum. How do you call it?
Gypsum ceiling.
These are gypsum ceiling, guys. He's the one who is controlling this. So after this, you can check KenV254. Yeah, subscribe to her channel, like, share, and remember to leave some sweet comment, guys. So if you're from my end, tell her that you're from my end. And if you're from my end, like, let me know, guys. So it's okay, guys. Yeah, really like talking to you here, guys. So like right now, things really hard. It's January. People are really busy. Things are really tough. But it's okay. We know it. Hello. Semaje Chakala?
I'm good.
Yeah.
Actually,
I am okay.
I was working out and now I'm done. I'm a little bit tired.
You're now relaxing, yeah?
Yeah, I'm just relaxing and making the muscles to expand themselves.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, guys, it's another beautiful day, another beautiful hour. Go check me out at Chakala on the Move. Subscribe, show love, and leave a positive comment. By doing so, it will just make me amazing. I will be prospering day by day.
Yeah.
So I'm thankful to you guys. And also go check your channel. Well, by the way, it's first time on my channel.
Yeah, it's my first time.
Voke _Voke.
I am Voke. Just
I am Voke.
Yeah.
Oh, go check out I am Voke's channel, subscribe, show love, and let's keep us on the move.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm so thankful for hosting me in your channel. Actually,
Thank you.
First time.
You're welcome,
so
bro.
Thankful. Yeah. Thank you.
Alright, guys. So that is it. I think I don't like talking much. With me, I think I've shown everything that's taking place here, guys. So what I can say, maybe I think I'm going to end the video. Maybe you can meet tomorrow on our next episode, on a beautiful episode tomorrow. I'm going to give you more and more, guys. So you just stay tuned, be watching the videos, and everything is going to be okay, guys. Yeah. So thank you for everything, and thank you for those returning viewers. Thank you for all people that have been there for me since I started. I know that some people have been there for me, watching my videos, commenting, that love, guys. I really feel, but it's been there's a time I was not uploading the videos. It's right now, I think I could not miss even a single day. I'll be uploading day by day. So what I could add from you guys, just watch my videos so that you can take me to 4,000 watch hours. Yeah, and subscribe guys kindly, so that I can hit the 1K, so that I can monetize, so that I can even enjoy that that when I say that, you know what exactly I'm trying to mean. Yeah guys, so let's meet tomorrow on our next episode guys. Bye bye.